So this is about a thunderstorm warning going on in my area, and I'll show you about it. I'll tell you about it. Oh dear, two more. I didn't see this. Flood watch. Oh dear. Crazy thing is, we're actually close. I think we're actually close to Philadelphia. Oh my gosh. Baltimore. That's the Baltimore area. My mom lives in that area. Probably a HTZ guy lives there because it when he pulled up a page and it said stuff on Google Maps about Baltimore, and that's why I probably figured out he lives in Maryland, like what my mom does. Check the area, Berks County, issued by Philadelphia, PA, National Weather Service. I've been to Philadelphia, by the way. The lowest floor is my basement. So if you're in this area, I'm warning you to stay safe as a